Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I got a delivery. I got my intercooler, tune, and charge pipes from Turner Motorsports. So I'm gonna be doing a quick unboxing, showing y'all exactly what it looks like, and kind of giving you some reasons and backgrounds on why I went with the Turner products instead of everything else like boot mod and MHD. All right, so let's get it. Alright everyone, so like I said, I went with the Turner Motorsports intercooler, tune, and some of their products because one, I wanted to be different. I wanted to do something different to my BMW that everyone else haven't done. More people just go the VRSF, or they go with, you know, the popular Wagner or anything else. They go with a lot of different same intercoolers, a lot of same products. I wanted to try something different to see if I can get any different type of results. And also in case there's anyone else out there that is curious about some of these products, hey, I can be your test dummy. So I was like, why not give it a try? We'll see what happens. And also Turner has a long standing, you know, line of building race cars and doing a lot of performance stuff for the BMW. So I just thought, hey, they have a good history. They've done a lot of products for BMW in the past, so why not try it on my car? So let's go ahead and get into unboxing these products that I got, all right? So just like any good unboxing, what you need first is something to open the box with, which I have my box cutter right here. So let's go ahead and get this box open. All right, so let's go ahead and open this thing slightly. So I ended up getting two boxes. I got this box, which it says the intercooler is on it, and I got another box for the charge pipe. So I'm hoping that my tuner software and plug is also in this box as well. So let's open this up. All right. So as you can kind of see there, got a lot of plastic, a lot of protection there. So let's go ahead, pull this out of the box and see what it looks like. All right, so as you can see right there, got it out of the box. It's got a lot of cushion, a lot of protection, which I do appreciate. And it's also, speaking of shipping and receiving, I ordered these products. I mean, Turner, I got on the phone with them, able to get them ordered. They shipped them out the same day, and I was able to get this, and I think it was about 2 business days. So it actually got delivered on a Saturday, which I was like, wow, most companies, you know, most times when you get stuff, you only get it from Monday through Friday. And I got this on a Saturday, so that's pretty cool. But let's go ahead do this unveiling. So intercoolers kind of got some good weight on it. Very nice, good weight on it there. And let's go ahead and take some of this. So it looks like it came with these caps. That one came off in the box. Came with these caps here to just kind of protect, so it won't have anything fall in there. So that's pretty smart of them to include that. So I'll take that off. And let me just take some of this tape off. I'm gonna use my box cutter. I want to cut away from the product because I don't want to damage the product. I said product, really should be saying intercooler, since we know exactly what it is. Alright. Alright, the moment is here. So, boom. Look at this thing right here. It's got they already got the engraving paint on the front of it that says Turner, which is kind of cool. I think with my front end being all black and that white, it's gonna pop out. You're gonna be able to see it there. So I think that's cool. This is a black stepped, what they call stepped intercooler. So you can see right there, it's got the step in it. So that's pretty cool. It's got some good weight on it. I think based on the specs, it is lighter than the stock. Oh man, I didn't even notice that. Check out the bottom of it. They got the Turner etched right in. I think that's cool right there. I mean, granted, no one's gonna see it. I know it's there. Turner knows it's there. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool touch there. So all in all, this thing looks good, feels good. Hopefully it performs good. So we'll see once I get it installed. All right, now we're gonna be going with the charge pipes. Going with the charge pipe and boost pipe. So this is the FTP Motorsports charge pipe. So let's go ahead and get this unboxed. All right, get this box open. A little protection there. Little peanuts everywhere. So pull this out of the plastic here. There we go. The FTP Performance Intake Pipe System, made in Taiwan. I would say feels good, looks good, feels sturdy. I mean, you know, anything's better than the stock one, right? So it's this part, and put this actually back in here. All right. This is the charge pipe and boost pipe as it shows right there. I'll get a little closer for y'all. That's cool. I'll actually open this up. Let me open this up so y'all can see what the inside of this looks like. So, looks like we got the boost pipe clamp there. So I guess this is gonna be like the hot and cold side, so to speak. I mean, the metal looks like it's cut very precisely. Looks pretty good right there. And some more clamps, stuff like that. Instructions, put that back in this bag. I definitely don't want to lose anything before I get all this installed. What else we have in here? So this is probably the other part of the charge pipe. This might be the lower half, or is this the upper? I think it's the lowest, the lower half. So we got another pipe there. Looks good. Like I said, anything's better than the stock. And let's just double check to see if there's anything else in here. Okay, so this is another part. So this is part of, I think this is part of that boost pipe section there. So check this out. So FTP right there. Pretty cool. Looks good. I mean, it looks clean on the inside. Hopefully y'all can kind of see that. Yeah, looks pretty good. Put this back in the plastic. All right, so, aha, what is this? I actually don't know what this is, so you're all gonna be surprised together. Oh, this is my tune. So this is the tuner. So, all right, so got the N55 tuner here from Turner Motorsports. So they put it inside this box. I guess they box all this at the warehouse, so that's cool. And that's my invoice. Just want to make sure there's not anything else in here. Nope. So I'm gonna lay all this out and let y'all see what everything looks like on the table. All right, so this is everything. So we got the charge pipe over here, got the intercooler, then we got, this is what they call the boost pipe over here. So hot side, cold side. And we got, so this is what everything I'm getting installed right now. And then plus the tune, which is right here. So I'm gonna get into the tune right now. All right, so let's talk about the Turner Motorsports N55 tune. So I'm gonna be going with the stage 2 tune because I got their intercooler and I already have an intake and exhaust. So that stage 2 tune is supposed to help out with keep cooling and keeping the power throughout the power band a lot longer. The stage 1 and stage 2 tune, the only real difference for needs on your car is going to be around if you have an intercooler or not. So since I have the intercooler, it just makes more sense for me to go straight to stage 2. But it's still good for 96 horse and 127 pound-feet of torque. So that's what I'm gonna be looking forward to see if I can make those gains with all these mods once I go back to the dyno and get that ran. So the tune actually comes with this, the programming module here. There's some, and then actually in this box here comes with the software that you actually need to get it installed on your computer, so you can go ahead and download that tune. So this tune is not like an MHD or boot mode tune where you can control everything on your phone. You actually plug this in, the software reads your baseline map, and then that baseline map gets sent straight to Turner, and then after that Turner will upgrade everything and get it, and then they'll send it tuned right back to you. So that's pretty cool, and then it's supposed to help you get a better tune. That's how they're able to get all the power that they're able to get on it out of it. So that's kind of how the tune works. Like I said, it's not something you can control from your phone, but you do still get your base map and you get the map that they create for you based on your tune. So pretty cool. All right, everyone. So that's it. That's the unboxing. Got the charge pipes, got the intercooler, got the tune, and you got the boost pipe. So I'm gonna get, all this is going to be installed by my go-to shop, which is Euro Empire. They're going to install all this in my car. We're going to tune, and we're going to, after we do the tune and after we get everything installed, we're going to do another dyno run so we can go ahead and see what all these mods have added to my car. And if you have not seen my first dyno run, this is going to be my baseline. Please check out that video. I'll link it. I'll put like a little quick link up here, and then also it'll be down in the description so you can check that out to see what the numbers were on the baseline dyno. So that's it. That's everything I had to share. Just want to give you a quick unboxing and let you know what's in store for my 435. So if you like this content, you want to see, in order to get, you know, the quickest updates and see what's going to happen, please subscribe, you know, hit that notification bell, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.